Closer to me, baby, I won't fight. You look so tasty, but I won't fight. Really, I'm such a good kitty, don't put up fights. But if you trick me, baby, it gon' get sticky. I might bite. I might bite. I might I might just rip a nigga head off if he just wanna hit and head off. Then why the fuck you in my bed all day? Talking about you getting bread, that she was a bird, then I understand, okay. Never ever bite the hand feeding you the worm, these are not your eggs, okay. Look. Long ass money with all short fuse. I'm 5'3", but I make that nigga 4'2". If you wanna do it, motherfucker, I won't stop you. Do it, motherfucker, I won't stop you. Closer to me, baby, I won't fight. You look so tasty, but I won't fight. Really, I'm such a good kitty, don't put up fights. But if you trick me, baby, it gon' get sticky. I might bite. I might bite. I
Don't be sorry, I'll be carefree. Serve your ass like Jeffrey. Do it for the glory. Lately the shit be sweet, get my voice hot seat, and I let my bass drop. Don't give a fuck who seat, nigga DEF about to throw grenades. Keep a ghetto freak and she like insane. Natural her poppin', don't ever get it twisted. She at your scalp for the fade. Nah, nigga, listen, let me let you say. When it be about the bread, I don't want the quiz, no, don't test me. I'm a gentleman, I turn to a bird, cool to swimming in your blessings. Hey, how you dinner, hallelujah, how this halitosis, she lick me like